Hello, everybody, and welcome to my very first unboxing. So, today we're going to be looking at Tokyotreats. Now, just looking at the box, it looks fucking awesome. Look, you got flowers, you got other stuff. I think that's like sushi or something. But we're just going to crack it right open. It's a pretty awesome box. I think there was some tracking information on here on the box that I took off. So it's the second time I'm recording this video. Holy shit. Look at that. Just look at that. That's money right there. That is bona fide cheddar. I won't be a fucking idiot and hold up by that thing. That's pretty awesome. Let's take a look at whatever this is. Alright. It jumped out to me, so it probably jumped out to you too. Let's take a look at this. It's regular plastic cat packaging. Honestly, it could be cat food. Like cat treats, for all I know. It says Nintendo Creatures. Is it a Pokemon? It is a Pokemon. I'm just stupid. Pokefan. It stood out to Pokefans, and now they think I'm a fucking idiot. But I guess this is Pokemon food. They're really good. They're like puffs. And there's cinnamony. Like I forget a cereal that has this texture. But it tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But like better. Alright. We're gonna get on to the next one. It tells me what all of these are right here. One of them has Pikachu on it. There's definitely Pokemon. I can't find the one we ate, or maybe it is the one we ate. So that's probably the only Pokemon thing in there. Whatever. Even your Pokepals are celebrating Girls' Day. Inside this cute Girls' Day inspired packaging, you'll find cocoa corn in the shape of Pikachu. They are Pikachu shaped. That's awesome. Look, I'm not going to worry about any of the others. Just going to strap it on. We got caramel corn. That looks pretty good. It does not look like the caramel corn that I know. But we also got Pringles. These guys got, hear that? Like a fucking tambourine. Those package guys were just swinging that shit around. But that's okay. Because at least my package came. I don't know what flavor they are. I gotta look it up. I gotta cheat. It's ramen. It's miso ramen. Type ramen. They just taste awesome. Like, I don't feel overpowered by the flavor or anything. I wasn't sure how great this box was going to be. But honestly, Pringles, if nothing else is good except the Pringles and how cool the box looks, then it's a win for me. That's maybe an 8.5 out of 10 on the Michael scale, you know? But we're gonna get to that later. There's like cool ads on the back. Like this one is for, I guess, some sort of martial arts school. I know it's fuzzy and shitty, but it's cool. This is the biggest bag. Ooh, I can see what I really want over there. But I think we'll get to that last. We're just gonna look at this right now. I gotta figure out what they are. Yeah. Kalbi Osaka ginger tempura flavored. So, it kind of has a salt and vinegar vibe to it. And I know people that hate salt and vinegar are gonna be like, ew, gross. And the thing is, I hate salt and vinegar. Like, if you like salt and vinegar chips, fuck you. And I don't like salt and vinegar, but the chips taste good. It's just a very small hint, and it really allows the rest of the chip. There's enough flavor space. There's enough places in Flavor Town you can hang out. That the chip really does it for you. It's a good chip. These things are cool. Look at that. I don't think I showed the last package. I don't know if I did or not, but you can see this package. It's pretty cool. Colors on the front is what got my attention. So let's get right in. Let's jump right in. A lot of these candies are like puffs. I think it's well, these are like Fritos. They're puffs. No. They're less like Fritos, but they're awesome. I don't know if they're totally awesome because I still got to keep processing the flavor in my mouth. Good. They're good. I'm gonna look up what they are too. Baby Kaki Mochi. Mochi or Mochi. Probably Mochi. A treat for both kids and grown-ups alike. These salty and fluffy rice cracker treats make the perfect addition to any bento box. What is a bento box? Answer in the comments below. I forgot, you gotta like this video and comment and subscribe. Just so you know. We got Melon Pandoro, 7%. Ooh, looks like kind of like a butter cookie. And it's a cute looking panda. Like, how awesome is that? I'm gonna eat it. It's like a very pleasant watermelon flavor. Not watermelon like the artificial flavoring. It's called Melon Panda. It's just melon without, but it's not watermelon. I thought it was like almost a lime at first, but not sharp. It's a very sensual flavor. It rides over your tongue. It's probably probably up there with the Pringles for me. I may even have to do a tier list for my next video with all these foods. Or I could do that in this video. But the thing is, I'm too lazy to do either of those ideas. Alright. It's about time we got to the Japanese soda. Asahi. It looks like it tastes. It has a picture of vanilla ice cream and a cherry on it, so it's probably going to be flavored like that. I would say. It's carbonated, syrup-filled beverage. Well, that was awesome. It just spilled everywhere. It tastes amazing though. Holy shit. Oops. We'll get all the stuff we got so far. Pringles is great. These are cool.